Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to use this StepsToDo Tesla Coil, ready to use Tesla Coil model. Name itself indicate that it's ready to use kit. Now if you open the box, you will get a Tesla coil, then board, foam pieces, battery, some nut and bolts. Along with this you will get a manual which explain theory of the Tesla coil in detail, like what's Tesla coil, how it is used, and all detail circuit diagram and steps as well. So let's start how to use it. If we open this Tesla coil and if we take out it from bubble wrap, we can see there is a ready-made Tesla coil which is provided, and this Tesla coil has been designed on PCB. On PCB board it has been designed, so you can see it's like this. Now it's a very important part that you are getting this CFL, kind of small miniature of CFL, which we call as neon bulb. Then along with the Tesla coil you are getting this LED circuit, which we call as secondary circuit, and then these are the few more additional things which are provided in the product. So wooden base, foam pieces with two-way tape, and nut and bolt. Basic working of Tesla coil I will show you first, then how to assemble the project we will see it afterwards. This is a very simple ready to use Tesla coil. So only thing is, like, you are supposed to connect this 9-hole battery to the coil. If you connect this 9-hole battery to the coil, you can see this LED secondary circuit started glowing, and if you look at this neon bulb as well, so it will also start glowing. See, if you touch the coil, neon bulb will glow. So this is how. Now it's a very simple. Here there is a on and off switch on the PCB. Okay, so you are supposed to use it, and if you touch the neon bulb, it will glow. Now how to assemble this Tesla coil for project. Now it's very simple. Take this wooden board, remove the release paper from foam pieces, paste it on the four corner of the board. Now take nut and bolt provided. There is one hole on PCB and one hole on the board, so you are supposed to match and fix this PCB with the help of this nut and bolt on this wooden board, so that you will get a good look for your Tesla coil. That is kind of stand which we are creating for Tesla coil. Once this basic assembly is done for the Tesla coil, your Tesla coil is now on the board, as you can see. Now it's ready to test. You can see, there many a time on the internet we see that there is a one silver ball on the head of the Tesla coil. That is for decoration purpose. It's not for the actual, it's not having any functional use in the Tesla coil. Now if you on it, see, I just want to tell you a few things very clearly. If you are taking this neon bulb, it will glow because it is a gas tube. Now if you are taking this kind of CFL bulbs which are available in the market, it will, if you are taking it near to the Tesla coil, it will glow definitely. The specification of this CFL bulb, it is shown here in the video. More than this, big CFL bulb will not work because this coil is having that much voltage only. Now if you are taking this type of LED bulbs which are nowadays available, LED will not work with Tesla coil. So you should keep it in mind that LED bulb will not glow with the Tesla coil. So LED bulb will not glow with the Tesla coil. So now your project is ready to display. You should understand that if you try to check this Tesla coil with LED bulb, it will not glow. So do not use LED bulb with the Tesla coil.